Throughout history, nature has demonstrated its immense power through devastating natural disasters. These cataclysmic events have shaped our planet and human civilization in profound ways. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD buried the ancient Roman city of Pompeii, preserving it for centuries and offering invaluable insights into Roman life. In 1755, the Great Lisbon earthquake struck Portugal, causing widespread destruction and influencing Enlightenment philosophy. The 1883 eruption of Krakatoa in Indonesia produced the loudest sound ever recorded and altered global climate patterns. More recently, the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami claimed over 230,000 lives across multiple countries, prompting improvements in early warning systems. These events serve as stark reminders of nature's fury and our need to better understand and prepare for such catastrophes in the future.